Today, I'm going to show you how to insert and play an audio file in Microsoft Word step by step. This is a really useful trick if you want to add voice notes, music, interviews, or any other audio file directly into a Word document. It's great for creating interactive documents, training materials, project files, or presentations where you want the audio attached in one place. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor where you want the audio file to appear. This is the spot where the audio object will be inserted, so make sure you choose the right location before continuing. Now, go up to the Insert tab at the top of Word. The Insert tab is where you'll find different tools for adding content, like pictures, shapes, links, and files. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the text group and click Object. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the ribbon carefully, because the Object option is usually located with the other insert tools. After you click Object, a new window will open with different options for adding an object into your document. In that window, select the Create from File tab. This option lets you insert an existing file from your computer directly into the Word document. After that, click Browse and locate the audio file you want to insert. This could be an MP3 file, a WAV file, or other supported audio format stored on your device. Select the file, then click Insert or Open, depending on the dialog box you see. Before you finish, make sure the Display as Icon checkbox is checked. This is important because it adds the audio file as a clickable icon instead of trying to display the file contents inside the document. When it appears as an icon, your document stays cleaner and easier to read, and the audio file is still attached and ready to open. Now click OK to insert the file into your document. You should now see an audio icon placed in the Word page where your cursor was. From here, you can move the icon, resize it, or format it just like other inserted objects in Word. If you want, you can also type a label or note above the icon so people know what the audio file is about. To play the audio file, simply double-click the embedded icon. Microsoft Word will open the file in your computer's default media player, and the audio will begin playing there. So even though the file is inside your Word document, it still plays through the app associated with that audio format on your device. That makes it easy to review, share, or keep audio connected to your document. A quick tip here: if the file doesn't open the way you expect, make sure the audio file is saved properly on your computer and that your system has a default app set for playing audio. Also, remember that inserting audio as an object embeds it into the document workflow, so it's best to use files that are not too large if you're planning to share the document. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert and play an audio file in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it can make your documents a lot more interactive and useful. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, and I'll see you in the next video.